Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the wire. Solid versus stranded matters because stranded flexes and needs gentler pressure. Once identified, measure and mark the strip length, typically 6 mm for connectors, and clamp or hold the wire steady. Use wire strippers set to insulation diameter. Align the marked point with the stripper's cutting notch. Squeeze to score the insulation, not the conductor, so you avoid nicking copper. Then rotate the tool slightly to ensure a clean cut before pulling the insulation off in one smooth motion. Once done stripping, inspect the exposed conductor closely. Any nicks reduce strength and increase resistance. For stranded wire, you should gently twist the strands together to restore shape and prevent fraying. Do this by rolling the wire between thumb and forefinger. If the insulation didn't release cleanly, score circumferentially with a utility knife using light pressure and then pull the jacket away. Make sure to trim off 1 to 2 mm of damaged conductor if you find cuts, because a fresh end ensures a reliable electrical connection. To finish, immediately attach the connector. Crimp or solder as appropriate. Crimping needs the right die, soldering needs heat control to avoid insulation melt. Then slide a heat shrink sleeve over the joint and apply heat for strain relief and insulation. If strands frayed, bind them with a tiny dab of solder or liquid electrical tape to prevent stray strands. This also eases insertion into terminals. If you later lose continuity, recheck for nicks, cold solder joints, or loose crimps and redo the damaged section before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.